example of fundamental counting principle. In a lottery, 3 numbers from 0 to 9 are randomly selected. What is the number of all possible outcomes? So how we find this out is since it says there's 3 numbers from 0 to 9, 0 to 9 is 10 numbers, so then we just multiply 10 times 10 times 10 since there's 3 numbers being picked, and that equals 1,000. This problem we're doing permutations, and permutations order matters. So for this example, it says how many ways are there to line up 5 people for a picture? So then you gotta do 5 factorial, which is part of permutation. So 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that's 120 ways. Combinations, this is the formula. It's n factorial over r factorial parentheses n minus r factorial. So order does not matter, and for the question we have, how many ways can you choose 5 movies from 30? So we have 30, and then the formula, 5 equals 30 factorial over 5 factorial, parentheses 30 minus 5, and we got 30 factorial over 5 factorial, parentheses 5 factorial, and we got our answer, which was 142,500. Combinations versus permutations. Combinations, order does not matter, uses this combination, which is NCR equals n factorial over r factorial, parentheses n minus r factorial. And then for permutations, order matters, and they both use factorial. Okay, are you kidding me right now? Play table, and it has to do with the 90 student survey. So one of the questions asks, do you play high school or club sport? The other question asks, have you seen an orthopedist? And then they say yes or no, and how many kids said that. So then the question asks, chosen at random with someone who did not play a sport and did not see an orthopedist. Then you put the number of kids that said no to the orthopedist, which is 8 over 90, which is the number of kids who took the survey, which is 4 over 45. Then you get a decimal point, and you move the decimal point 2 places down to get the percentage, which is 8.9%.
Okay, so we didn't have a cube, or a dice, so we had to make one, but whatever works, so yeah.
3. One roll of a number on a cube. We have probability of A equals, we don't know. So for probability of A equals 3 over 6, because we rolled a 3, your chance of rolling a 3 is 1 over 2.
Okay, so we kind of had to make these two because we're ghetto and we didn't have a deck of cards. So now she's going to try and pick a jack, and we're going to try and find the probability of that. Okay,
I choose this one.
alright, a 6. Alright, not that one, go again. Alright, not that one. Yeah! You got it! Okay, now another one.
Thought we already, okay.
Which one? Pick one.
This one?
Alright, grab the 4 that you had. So you only had one jack. Woo!
Probability for picking a jack is probability of jack is 4 over 52 equals 1 over 13, and we got 0.77%, which equals 7.7%.
So for the life lesson, I learned that my purpose on earth is to be happy with myself and to make only me happy, and to do the things that I love, like makeup and singing. What about you?
Same.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.